The story of our first reading has a lot to say about our life. Isang marahil ordinaryong senaryo ng bawat isa sa ating may matinding pangangailangan. One who faces great desperation, but after some moments came a moment of mercy. Hezekiah was asking the Lord for life, and now God heard him. God showed mercy to Hezekiah. God favored his desires and his prayers. Similarly, on one end, we've heard the story of Jesus being ridiculed, being corrected for the violations these Pharisees saw in them during the Sabbath. But more than anything else, they failed to see at least the whole picture of what the Sabbath is, what the day of the Lord is. It is more than following black and white rules, but it is where God's mercy is so abundant. Hindi lang panahon para sumunod tayo o maging obligado tayo, pero panahon din ito kung saan binubuhos ng Diyos ang kanyang awa at pagmamahal sa atin. Two places, two experiences: the temple for Hezekiah, the Sabbath for Jesus and those around him. These encounters and this place are not only places or encounters where we can be meticulous with what we are following, but also and most especially, top of everything else, it is an experience where God's mercy and goodness can flow to us. Sa templo at sa araw ng pamamahinga, hindi lang batas ang namamayani ang mas nagtatagumpay, awa at pag-ibig ng Diyos sa atin. And it is our hope as your shepherds that whenever you come to the cathedral, whenever you celebrate your Sunday Masses, wherever you are coming from, whenever you are to pray anywhere, ang mamayaning pakiramdam o karanasan ay ang malaman na kinaaawaan tayo ng Diyos, mahal tayo ng Diyos, at mabuti ang Diyos sa atin. In this place, every day, every Sunday, I come face to face with my God, needy as I am, sinner as I am, wounded as I am, to receive mercy and experience His goodness. We make our journey to churches for daily and even Sunday encounters with the Lord, not only to follow a certain obligation, but for us to be blessed with the love of God. Dahil mahirap na makahon sa karanasan na iyan, na naririto lang ako dahil obligado ako. Pero dahil narito tayo, pagkakataon ito ng Diyos na tayo ay mabuhusan ng grasya. The Lord wishes us to be full of His goodness and mercy. At sa harapan ng Diyos, awa at kabutihan niya ang gusto niya at ang ipapadaloy sa atin. Hindi kailanman lugar ito ng paninira o ng kahihiyan sa templo at sa araw ng Panginoon. With the Lord, sinner as we are, needy as we are, wounded as we are, the Lord desires mercy for us. The Lord desires our healing. The Lord desires that we be blessed with His abundance and with His mercy.